So guys, now in this video, let's see how to change the legend positions. For example, by default, it's in upper right corner, right? So you can clearly see, let's just copy this thing from here and paste it over here. So this will basically make a stack plot and the legend is at top right corner, right? Now let's move this legend position at the upper left corner. Okay, so yeah, over here plt.legend, and in the parenthesis you just need to write over here loc, and that will be equals to, then you can just put a quotation and then write upper left. That means it will move to the top left corner. Now if I run it, now you can see it moved to the top left corner. Similarly, you can just write over here bottom left, then it will, okay, there is an error. Yeah, it should be lower left, not bottom left. So you can just write lower left, and you can clearly see over here there are so many options like upper right, upper left, lower left, lower right, similarly right, center left, center right, lower center, upper center, and center. Okay, so let's just run it, and let's also copy this lower center as well. We will see that how it looks actually. So now you can see it's in the lower left, and now let's just paste that one, and this should be in the lower and center of that screen, right? And if you just write over here lower left or something like that, you can clearly see the plot is starting over here, but the legend is actually in the more left side of that particular starting point, right? So you can also use some manual options. For example, right now we are just writing some like predefined words like upper, lower, bottom, left, right, center, something like that. But you can also use some numbers to change the position. For example, if you want it like slightly right and slightly up at the lower left corner, so you can just write over here 0.5 to the right and then 0.3 to the up. Okay, now if I run it, okay, there is an error. Well, yeah, that is because of these are integers, so we don't need to write this quotation over here. So let's just remove these quotations from there, and now if I run it, okay, positional argument follows keyword argument. Okay, that means we have to put a parenthesis. Okay, so that means legend, then inside the parenthesis you have to write loc, and that should be equals to, then again a parenthesis, and then 0.5 comma 0.3, whatever number you actually want. Like the first one will move to the right and the second one will move to the up side. Okay, now if I run it, now you can see it moved to the 0.5 right and 0.3 up. Okay, so I'll just make it 0.05 and 0.03. okay, now if I run it, now you can see it looks good, right? Now it's inside the plot, and yeah, it's basically looks good. So if you just let's just do one thing. Yeah, study dot reverse. Basically now this last one will be in the first position and the first one will be the last position. So let's do that as well. It dot reverse, and finally exercise dot reverse. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, here is not, it should be it, not here. Yeah, now you can see it looks good, right? In the bottom left corner, not actually totally bottom and totally left corner, it actually giving them some space from the bottom and the left corner. So this actually looks good. So in this way you can change the location of the labels in any type of graphs. Okay.